Here's question 10 on the higher non-calculator paper. I notice first of all there's a star next to the question number, so that means there's quality of written communication marks for this question. I need to make sure I state everything clearly, right, and concisely. In the UK, petrol costs £1.24 per litre. In the USA, petrol costs £3.15 per US gallon. And now they've told us that 1 US gallon is 3.79 litres, and one pound is worth $1.47. The question says, was petrol cheaper in the UK or in the USA? Alright, so there's quite a lot of information in this question, quite a few numbers, and they want us to show, was petrol cheaper in the UK or in the USA? So let's just break this down. So in the UK, right, 1 litre of petrol is going to cost you £1.24. In the USA, 1 gallon of petrol is going to cost $3.15. Now they've told us that 1 gallon is 3.79 litres, so that basically means 3.79 litres in the USA is going to cost you $3.15. Almost put pounds there, $3.15. So I could work out how much 1 litre is going to cost in the USA. 1 litre is going to cost $3.15 divided by 3.79, and I'll need to use my calculator for this, so get your calculator across, and 3.15 divided by 3.79, that's equal to, okay, I've got a screen full of numbers there. I'm going to write down the first 4 decimal places, 0.8311. 0.8311. So that basically tells me that 1 litre is going to cost 83 cents, right, or 83 and a bit cents. That's still in dollars, really, but it's 83 cents. Now, they've also said to us about the exchange rate. They said 1 pound is $1.47. 1 pound is $1.47. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this into pounds. Now, if you want to convert dollars into pounds, so if you're going backwards like so, you're going to divide by 1.47. If you were going forwards, converting pounds into dollars, you'd be timesing by 1.47. So 1 litre in the USA is going to cost 0.8311, and I still have on my calculator a screen full of numbers. I'm going to divide that by 1.47. Okay, so doing that division, I'm going to do, I have my screen full of numbers still, right? And I'm going to divide that by 1.47. That's going to give me 0.5653. So that's 0.5653. What that effectively means is that 1 litre of petrol in the USA is going to cost me about 57 cents. And that's equal to 57 cents. The question asked, was petrol cheaper in the UK or in the USA? Actually, I've just realized I've done something wrong. I changed this into pounds, so that's not dollars. That's 0.57 pounds. That's 57 pence, not cents. So looking at doing my comparison, 1 litre of petrol in the UK costs £1.24. 1 litre of petrol in the USA is going to cost 57 pence or 0.57 pounds. Question says, was petrol cheaper in the UK or the USA? Petrol was cheaper in the USA, right? It was 57 pence for 1 litre. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to write any more. Fairly complex this is, right? You have to break it down into several different parts. Go through what I've done, make sure you understand it, think about each stage and step, and make sure you could do it yourself. This question was worth 4 marks. Not a lot for the amount of thinking here, but those of you aiming for top grade should be able to get this.